USB-C connector plugs into USB-C ports. Rugged 3-meter 10-foot cable. 30 amp high-speed charge to power up fast. Tangle-resistant braided nylon avoids getting tied into knots, has 100+ lb pull strength. Includes OtterBox limited lifetime warranty, see website for details. OtterBox USB-C to USB-C cable is designed for rugged, long-term use. It features an extended strain relief at that notorious weak spot where the cable and connector attach. Available in various lengths, the OtterBox USB-C to USB-C cable charges at 3.0 amps, and its braided nylon avoids tangling itself into knots. Upgrade your charging experience with the cable that's made to last. Top reviews from the United States. Durable fast charging cable. This cable is very durable and charges my wife's iPad Pro very fast with the 18-watt charging brick that came with the iPad. The cable's length is a plus as she has room to move around a little while using the charging cord and working on her iPad.